So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Malala and reporting live from KFC Warangal. Never thought I'll start my vlog from here. So we just came here. Me, Tushar, Karthik came here to KFC. So it's been long since I came here. So usually I don't used to eat chicken till my 12th standard. So once after joining long term and all, I started eating chicken. So in my family we don't eat chicken actually. Yeah. So we have Karthik here. So actually I have a plan, Tushar and Karthik, I wanted to include them in a food challenge vlog, but these people are not cooperative actually. I said I will pay the bill, but still they said no. So let's see. So here's a bucket full of chicken. Me and Karthik is going to do chicken leg piece challenge. Let's see who is going to complete it first.
Okay, let's start. Take one leg piece.
Chalo,
Okay.
say start.
One, I will say start. 3, 2, 1, start. Fast man. Faster. Fast man. Faster. Really, Karthik is going to win. I will be the judge in last. You need to put everything in your stomach. Nothing should be in your mouth. But yours is which piece? Okay.
See,
Charan won.
never thought me and Karthik do this kind of challenge. I asked Tushar to do, but he's like, I'll not do. So at the end, I decided I'll also be the part of. Let me be the part of this challenge. So I'm the winner. So Karthik is going to pay the bill. Are you ready? So actually, whenever me Tushar comes to some kind of expensive restaurant, some or the other thing will happen. Actually, we are not going to do anything there. The staff will be confused. They will confuse us. Ultimately, we will be benefited. They got confused. They confused us, and they gave extra 4 more boneless pieces. And also at the end, last time when we went to Paradise, we got some packets. And this time, Tushar is bringing the sauce packets. Tushar.
Last time they give extra biryani
Last time in Paradise they gave us extra biryani and extra som packets. Now they gave extra chicken pieces and extra sauce packets. Don't know. This is how it is. It should be in all cases, not only food. Oh God, where are you? Please do me all favor, okay? After a very good nice meal at KFC, we are here at Lassi shop. Don't think that it is only Lassi. You'll also get milkshakes there. Is trying Nutella brownie. It's Karthik with. I ordered hopscotch butterscotch. So this is Lassi shop. So here is our milkshake. We are having our milkshake, and we guys decided to walk till our campus. It will be 1 kilometer. I can't say
1.5 kilometers.
1 kilometer, I guess, not 1.5.
1.5.
1.6 kilometers from here. So we decided to walk. It will be very good, fun. See, Tushar is unable to eat complete his ice cream. It's full of ice cream actually. We don't know why we are sitting here, but we are just sat on the chair. What we call this as chair on the footpath, just opposite to Palamuru Grill. Just opposite to Palamuru Grill of Hanmakonda. Yeah. So actually, Ashish went to Hyderabad. He is coming back, it seems. So these people wanted to go to movie today. So reason is everyone is leaving tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and like, so he'll be staying with me till last. So he also wanted to watch a movie. Don't know, like, let's see. Akanda, yeah, tomorrow Jai Balaya movie is going to release, Akanda. So we are planning for that, but these fellows are like, today we'll go. Today no other movies, there only Eternals, which is at 10:55. Time is now is 9:30 and Ashish will get down the train at 10:30. Let's see what is going to happen. I'll surely update you guys. Finally, we have reached the campus. Again, these fellows, mainly this fellow, he is the culprit here. He is taking us to movie. That too, Eternals. And movie time is at 10:55, and now the time is 10:30. We are almost near again Collectorate. Again we need to go to Warangal, which will easily take us another 20 minutes. Of course, we can reach there by movie time. Main thing is Ashish is in train. He will reach Warangal by another 10 to 15 minutes, and he has to come till S2. For him, it will surely take 30 minutes from there. So that's the plan. And Karthik is holding light for me. Thank you, Karthik. Okay, we are in auto. Culprit. We are here at PVR. So it's also called as S2 Cinemas here at Warangal. So to watch Eternals. So we are in the lift. So lift is open. Chalo, I have to take tickets now. Big wing. So this time we became flowers here. We just misjudged the timings and we came to movie at 10:55. I thought the 10:55 is the timing, but the movie started already at 10:30. So Book My Show is also some way it is wrong. It is showing 10:30 show, but here they're displaying it's not 10:30. They are displaying it as 10:10. Don't know why that is like that. But movie is already started. We don't know what to do now. So I just came here to check out this Honda Big Wing kind of outlet. I mean showroom outlet. Let me just see. It's 350 RS and this is CB 650R. So this is what we are doing, coming to PVR Mall and just taking pics in the lift. This is how our movie going on the roads of Warangal. So we are going to Warangal railway station. Exactly opposite that we have a bus, Warangal bus ride. So we'll be catching one bus and we'll be dropping near our campus. That is what the plan is. This fellow is mad. See, he just crossed the road. Here it is Warangal railway station and this is Warangal bus stand. So let's see some ordinary buses or local buses available for us. We are back to campus. So he is the main culprit here. So we are not interested to go to Eternals, but this fellow is like, we'll go.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, will.
Finally, after all that, so the time is exactly 12:15 now. So we are back to the campus. I mean, we are back to my room. So these are some things which we do regularly in our college, and there are a lot more things which we do. So some things which I can't show, something even though I can show, but I didn't cover them today. So in future upcoming vlogs I may cover them. So stay tuned for that. So Karthik, tell me, how was your day? Fine. This fellow, no, from morning till evening he did project. So topper, easy. What project you did, Karthik?
Weather station.
So he created a weather station using Arduino, IoT based, Internet of Things. Topper. So how you did, Karthik?
It's secret.
So like you don't want to
Reveal everything.
don't want someone to copy your project?
Yes.
You are going to take patents?
Yes.
So I'll show you his project. I have his project. I'll show you.
No.
Thought of closing the vlog, but still I am getting content. This fellow is watching movie and he slept nicely. He came from Hyderabad and he slept nicely there. Karthik is watching romantic movie. It's a new release actually, but it has already come on online platform called AHA. So he's watching there. Time is 1:20 now. This is what we are doing now. I'm just practicing one reel actually. So if it comes well, I'll surely upload on Instagram. But if it doesn't come well, I'll not upload anywhere. I'll just make it for myself. That's it. I think last night you guys have watched that. We went to a movie. Wanted to go to a movie, but unfortunately misjudged the movie timings, and we came back. That movie was Eternals. So today we decided to go to Jai Balaya movie, that is Akhanda. This is the first day of its release. I mean, it's released today itself. So we booked the ticket just after wake up in the morning. So you know, as you have seen, Ashish has went in the morning for. Bye, Ra. Tushar is going in the night and Ashish is going now. So maybe I will be leaving day after tomorrow. From then till now, completed some important works given by some association senior. That is done, and now at 7:30 we have the show of Akhanda, at Asian Sridevi Mall. So we are, now the time is 6:40. Of course, even if we start here by 7 o'clock, we'll reach there in another 20 minutes and we can watch the movie. But thing is, we need to have a dinner. That is the main point here. So don't know whether we are going to have a dinner after the movie or before the movie. Before the movie though, I think chances are very less. Let's see what's going to happen. We'll be getting into movie cinema hall, so there we are not allowed to vlog. So I will be talking about the movie once after coming out of the movie. These both people are here, Neeraj and Karthik. As per the talks and as per the reviews, movie is mass. I really loved the background score and also like mass scenes there. And we just came to some random fast food center here and we just ordered some food just to fill our stomachs and just go to hostel and lay on bed. So that's what the plan is. Back to campus at 11:20. Yesterday I think we came at 12:10. Today is at 11:20. Maybe only another 1 or 2 days more like this. So after that I have to go to home, then complete writing my exams and also attend my cousin's marriage during the exams. That is a big task for me. And then followed by that, staying in home for a week, followed by our epic north trip. So I have a lot of expectations, as I already said in my previous video. Don't know what where this corona going to take that. Hope it doesn't take anywhere. Hope it happens very well. So that's what I am wishing for now. Don't mind the junk over here and there. That is how hostel rooms are like. So yeah, editing the vlog actually since yesterday, it has come out really well, and I thought it requires a proper ending. So that's what I'm doing now. So that's the end of this vlog. If you somehow like this vlog, make sure you like, share and also do comment and also do subscribe. Yeah, it's totally free. Just turn the red color subscribe button into grey